So this is my somewhat off-roading lawnmower. It still needs a lot of work. It's a 1987 Snapper lawnmower. I have a custom front bumper, which is angle iron and 1/4 inch pipe, and then I have an 1/8 inch skid plate to protect the steering. It's more of a bashing ram than anything, just running into stuff for fun. Back here I have my custom rear bumper. I don't know what it is, it's pretty thick, but straight pipe exhaust comes back here, over to here, into the side pipe. Custom mud flap. Fuel filter, I added that. Seems to burn oil a lot. I need to redo the carburetor. I need to rebuild that. It's a 5-speed clutch and brake. I also need the throttle controls right here. I want to make it rev a little bit higher, so I'm going to run a bike pedal from this up to there as a gas pedal. It articulates like a lot.
Thanks a lot for listening today at Madras Animal Hospital. Hey, 10 in a row for you.
Because it's on this joint right here. The only problem is it had tire rot pretty bad on this front tire, so it keeps coming off the bead. I need starting fluid every time. It takes about 2 days, so I need to keep filling it with air. So, yeah, that's about it for this one.